Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Steam and the affected game. Make sure no related processes remain in Task Manager. Next, back up your save files and note where Steam and the game are installed so you don't misplace files. Run Windows Update and a quick antivirus scan to rule out system issues before replacing any DLLs. Once done, open Steam as administrator to prepare for file verification and avoid permission problems when restoring or installing the missing Steam API. DLL. You now verify the game's files in Steam. Open the game properties, choose local files, and run Verify Integrity. Steam often restores Steam API. DLL automatically. If that fails, obtain the DLL from the game's installation folder, a trusted redistributable, or reinstall the game. Never use random internet downloads. Copy the DLL into the game's root, and if required and the DLL is COM, register it using an elevated command prompt with regsver32. Make sure file architect. You finish by rebooting and launching Steam and the game as administrator so newly placed files load correctly. If you still get the error, reinstall the Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtime. Missing runtimes often cause DLL failures. Make sure the DLL you used matches the game's bitness and that antivirus didn't quarantine it. If things go wrong, restore your backup or enable Steam Cloud to recover saves. Additionally, check Event Viewer and the game's log for specific loader errors to guide further fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.